Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today let's draw some fruits using circles. So let's get started. First let's draw 6 circles using any circular object. Here I'm using a bottle cap and also leave some gap between each circle. Okay, I'm done. In the first circle let's draw an apple. First draw a small curve. Now stem, a leaf, another leaf, and now let's color it. Okay, now let's color stem and leaves with green. It's done. Now let's draw a watermelon. For that, draw wavy lines like this. Now let's draw the stem. Let's color the watermelon with dark and light greens. Now I'm using dark green. Okay. Use brown for stem. Now let's draw an orange. For that, draw a small circle. Inside that circle and draw a plus sign. Now a cross sign. Now let's color it. Okay, I'm done. Now let's draw kiwi. First draw an oval. Draw lines around the oval. Now let's draw a curve and draw some dots. Now let's color it. I'm using green. Brown for the outer part. Okay. Now let's draw pineapple. For that, first draw the brown. Now draw lines, sleeping lines and standing lines like this. And make some dots in between those boxes. That's good. Now let's color it. Okay, Last but not the least, pomegranate. Now let's draw the seeds. Now let's color it. I'm using dark and light pinks here. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.